Who doesn't want to travel from one place to another? But if you are in a firm where you get transferred frequently, then it's cumbersome, tiring, and painful for you and your family. To move to a new city and hunt for a flat or apartment nearby, which suits best to you and your pocket as well. So hello friends, welcome back. So friends, before proceeding to this video, I would like to say that in my previous video, I have said that we are moving to a new city as my husband got transferred. So yes guys, we have approached in a city called Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Right now we are standing in front of a society known as Capetown, which is in sector 74. So this is the society in which my husband has seen a flat to which we will be shifting today. So the only reason for choosing this society is that though it's highly developed and secured, it's inexpensive and it's technically maintained. Yes guys, I mean to say that an anonymous visitor has to undergo 3 phases of security. Firstly, he has to pass through this outside checkpost where he has to record all his data. So everywhere, as you could see, there is a CCTV camera security. So this probably going to be the second entry checkpoint where he has to again record his in and out time with mobile number and signature. Now, after reaching to a particular tower or block, he has to again face a guard for a last query through intercom, which I will be showing you later after I reach to my particular block. Now this is not enough guys. The best thing is that every vehicle has its own Capetown identification number for an uninterruptible service of in and out like I have mine. Now let's have a glimpse of this wonderful society. Now, let's talk about this society and some facilities provided by the Supertech builders. As I haven't explored much about Capetown, but yeah, the things which we kept in mind while searching flats were well coinciding with this society. Like our monthly rental budget, then grocery stores, then sabji mandi, my child's schooling, then friendly and playful environment for kids, then clean and green surrounding. Last but most importantly, metro station. Yes guys, so soon there will be a metro line starting from sector 74, but till then we have to catch a metro from sector 35, which means we have to travel a bit. Other than that, our decision for staying in this society is a big thumbs up. So now friends, switching over to us. We have got a flat in this tower, that is CS12, which is an abbreviation of Cape Silver 12. And this is what I was telling you about. Through this intercom, you will be confirmed about that anonymous visitor who came to meet you. And you know what friends? This day isn't easy for us as we were totally confused to take 3 BHK or 2 BHK. If you have seen my previous video, then you might have noticed that we have too many household items. And if you haven't watched that video, then do click here and I will also make sure to provide a link in the description box. So now if we consider that into account, then 3 BHK was going beyond our eligibility limit. So now I will be taking you to my flat, which is on the second floor. Okay, so here you go. And now you are most welcome. So as I open the door, you will see this is a big hall. Going to be my living room, of course. Now, this is a small balcony beside this hall. This is my kitchen, long and sleek, and as you can see, it's modular, and I don't think my kitchen utensils are going to get fit in it, but somehow I have to manage it. And once I settle down, I will definitely make a separate video and share with you all on how I organize my rented kitchen. Now I love the way how this kitchen is designed. So behind this door, again there is a balcony. So this is a study room which makes my house 2.5 BHK. And I'm quite happy because ultimately my hunt for 3 BHK gets seized here. And this room will definitely provide me that space to go along with my work. Now let me open the door and show you the balcony from here. So this is a long balcony, of course, and it is directly connected to my kitchen balcony, and here is my daughter. Yes, she is here. She is my daughter, following me and lingering around in an empty house. Now in front of this room, it's a common Latin bath, and it's me. And here is my bathroom. So this is the next room, which is a bit wider than my previous one, and it consists of a cupboard, a fan and a tube light. And again, as you open the door, you will get a balcony, but this one is a bit smaller. Now this of course is going to be my master bedroom. It consists of a cupboard, a fan, tube light, attached Latin bath and a balcony behind the door. Now the best part of this flat is it's quite spacious. Few balconies are connected to each other, and lastly there is no hindrance of natural light in any room. So friends, from now onwards I will be making all my videos in this flat in my new house. So guys, stay connected to us just by subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to get this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys next week. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video.